to one and all. Today, myself Parveen Rathi, I am here to describe about the topic constitutional design. Now, the question is that what is constitution? संविधान क्या है? Constitution क्या है? Constitution is a set of written documents according to which we have to implement the rule and regulations in any country. And what and why we required constitution? We required constitution for the structure of the government, for the type or level to decide what type of level we have to adopt in our country, whether it will be one tier government or two tier government. In India there are three tier government, there are three levels of government, which are central government, state government and local government. And third is that to decide the power of government. What will be the power of president, what will be the power of prime minister, what will be the power of vice president, and what will be the power of ministers and chief ministers of the states. It is also decided in our constitution. And levels of the government, in which level or according to which part will be the included in the government, and that are included in three lists. These are state list, central list and concurrent list. Now next is, here is an example of South Africa, where there was a dispute for long time between whites and non-whites, and with the efforts of Mr. Nelson Mandela, who prisoned for 24 years in South Africa, and at the last 26th April 1994 in South Africa, constitution was implemented and South Africa became constitutional country. And now I would like to discuss that how we design our constitution. For that, in India before independence, and Constitutional Assembly was drafted by the Britishers, in which main committee was the drafting committee, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chief or head, or we can say the president of the drafting committee. So the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also known as the father of our constitution. And in this constitution, the first meeting was held on 9th December 1946 in the presence of Mr. Sachidanand Sinha, and next meeting was held on 11th December in the presence of permanent president Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the president of our constitution committee. And on 26 November 1949 our constitution was ready, but it was implemented on 26 January 1950, because in Lahore Adhivesan in 1930 it was decided that we will on 26 Jan we will celebrate 26 Jan as Independence Day, but we get independence on 15th August. So the Constitutional Assembly decided to implement the Constitution on 26 January, and that's why 26 January is also celebrated as